Number 10 exercise of the 30-day challenge. Okay, we're going to do the hip circles, and we're going to imagine that you're drawing a circle with your head. So you're actually moving more your waist rather than your hips. Move in one direction and then the other. Don't forget to breathe. Breathe in and out.